Overnight travel chaos for people flying in and out of one of the world's best-known airports.
It's all dark here, mate.
London's Heathrow, with 1,300 takeoffs and landings per day, suddenly shut down. Authorities say a massive fire broke out at an electrical substation supplying the airport. The cause of the fire under investigation. The airport is closed at least through midnight tonight.
3278 stop. Stop was 3278 stop.
Back in the U.S., new questions for Southwest Airlines after a mishap in Florida yesterday. A flight to Albany, New York was forced to abort takeoff from Orlando because the pilots weren't even on a runway.
Cancel takeoff clearance. You're on Hotel Taxiway, Southwest 3278. Southwest 3278, yes sir, we stop.
The crew instead started their takeoff roll on a taxiway, a low-speed lane planes typically cross to get to their assigned runway. Southwest saying the crew mistook the surface for the nearby runway. The FAA now investigating. It recently investigated Southwest for multiple close calls, including a flight to Hawaii that came within 400 feet of the Pacific Ocean, and another from Arizona that experienced a so-called Dutch roll, a rare loss of control that causes the plane to wobble in midair. Meanwhile, new details about this dramatic crash landing of a Delta flight in Toronto last month. The plane flipping before bursting into flames.
Everything, drop it! Come on!
Investigators now revealing the plane was descending too fast, triggering alerts in the cockpit and buckling the landing gear. According to the report, the right wing then hit the ground and broke off. Fuel spilled out of the wing and ignited. The first officer had only 1,400 total flight hours, 100 less than the FAA requirement. But because she had a specific aviation degree, she was eligible for a certificate allowing her to serve as co-pilot.
The pilot flying was fully qualified but very inexperienced, so the weather was challenging. We knew that there were wind gusts of up to 40 miles an hour, but this frankly should have been handled. There were plenty of other aircraft that were landing just fine that day.
20 people were injured in that crash. As for the situation at Heathrow Airport, some flights are being diverted to other airports in the UK.